Hi everyone, I'm so excited. My Jessie Chorley book has arrived and let's unpack. Look, even the stamps. Oh, this is going to be in my junk journals. Okay, let's get unpacking now. This might need a knife. Just covering up addresses as I go. I think what I'll do is cut along here. That might be the best way. It is a bubble wrap bag, so it's protected. I want to get it out as best I can the way it was packed. Okay, here we go. Oh, I've never had a Jessie book before, and I haven't actually done a Jessie Chorley project either, so I'm very excited about this. Lovely, oh, that's nice. Beautiful ribbon. Always very tactile. Oh, I love it, Jessie. This is like a junk journaler's dream as well as a Stitches. Gorgeous. It's even got iron-on transfers. So I probably, oh, a little gift. Oh, one of the hearts with a bird. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? And a signed. Oh, isn't that, oh, how special. Oh, what a treat today. Today is a treat day. Oh, how beautiful. And I believe Jessie made the little book that is part of this whole project. So, just gorgeous. Everything's gorgeous about this. Just her little designs. So I don't want to show too much because you might like to buy your own and have some surprises. But what I want to do, so motifs and transfers. So there are particular designs that are to go into her book. The swan. And just a few stitch guides. So this is going to be quite interesting. Always good to look at another person's work and go through their book and have a go at what they're presenting to the world. Oh, I love this. Isn't that gorgeous? Funnily enough, I was just thinking I wouldn't mind making another fabric journal because I haven't made one outside of a course or a class or Roxy's Journal Stitchery or Handmade by Anne. And I was thinking, oh, it's about time I made another one, and now I'll be making one that is Jessie's, which is okay because this is how we learn. It's just a beautiful little book. Okay. Oh, I love these little details. I'm just going to be waffling on here for quite a while. So we're going to go through. I'm going to go through each part of it. I might contact Jessie and just say, hey, if I'm doing this on YouTube, is that okay? Because we love to share and we love to learn from each other. Okay, so it's really going through seasons as well. So, oh, let's see, autumn. Oh, yes, cup of tea. I'm just going to come forward to here. Templates. She's saying it's like a design bank. So these are very particular Jessie sort of designs, and I'm thinking other little things. I'm just thinking that they're not actually, oh, here's some templates. I was going to say they're not actually ironable, those other ones, but these are iron-on transfers. I wonder if you can use them more than once. That's my question. And they're tear out. They are tear out. Oh, I love the little house. Oh, this is my favourite. I just love this one so much. So I wonder if it says anywhere. Because an iron-on transfer is great, but if you've used it once and it's gone, you might want to use it again. It doesn't really say, does it? I guess I will just have to try one and see if I can get more than one off, or whether or not I have to just use once. But these additional templates, you'd have to go over them and you know, use some tracing paper, draw them off, and then put them onto some carbon and then redraw them onto your material. Can I come up with another project? Oh, you know what? I know that video is coming up tomorrow, so you won't have seen. I was just thinking I can add them to the project that I'm just starting, but you have not seen that yet, so I'll have to do a rejig. I think perhaps this one can go on what I'm talking about. But there you are. I haven't showed you everything, but maybe there's a little bit of a taste. Oh, look, it's textured. Oh my goodness. How nice. And you know what I'm going to do with that? 1 second. Okay. I don't know if I've done any of this on camera before. Maybe. I did a lot of this when I was doing my VCE art, or year 12, however you want to say it, which is the end of high school at in Australia. All right, so I've got these wax crayons. Then they're kids, but they work so well. They also are like, they were called twistables, all different colours. And I've got some that are just wax crayon, that's just the actual crayon part out of the packets. Let's try one of these, an orange and a blue. Well, that one's already coming out. Well, this is a very orangey red. I'm not quite sure if this is as good. Yeah, it's pretty light. This is a French technique called frottage. And back in the day, Max Ernst used to go around and do some of this. So that era of Max Ernst, late 1800s, around about the German kind of moments. But it's called, the word is French. Frottage is a French word, although Max Ernst was German. And he was a collage artist, and when I was doing my VCE, I was doing mainly collage. Look at that. And won't that be nice in a junk journal? Let's try on some of Rachel's beautiful paper. Actually, I'll do it close to the edge. Because I'm not quite sure how well it'll work. This is rag paper. Oh, what fun. Brings me back to my old printmaking days. Yeah, so it works quite beautifully up here, but not necessarily as well through the type. But you can always embellish it. There's no reason you can't. So I've gone from just doing an unboxing to getting very excited and making collage bits and pieces and fodder. I am doing fodder school at the moment, so this works for me. Fodder challenge. That seems to be the best on just some plain paper. But you can do that with any raised surface. Oh, it's just, I love texture. Okay, I'm going to get off and I'm going to be working on the project that's coming up tomorrow. And probably getting some of this stuff up and running for the future. And testing out one of the iron-on transfers and seeing if it works more than once. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. And journal cover, which I might use to go with my book. Everyone's, well, not everyone, but Kate and Corinne and Rachel are making little books to go with their quilts. I think I might make a little book to go with my stitched book for Jessie. I definitely want to use this. Oh, okay. I could waffle on for ages. I'm in heaven. I'm so happy. I'm just loving it. So, there you go. Oh, happy day. Thank you, Jessie, for this beautiful book. And thanks, everyone, for coming along, and look forward to seeing what I make with this and the way I do it, my style. Bye for now.